What's good, y'all? Hey, I'm glad y'all clicked on this video. If you're serious about making money, this is the video for you. Hey, let me give y'all a quick introduction. I got my credit the next day after graduation. I was 18. I'm 19 now. A year later, I got a 740. I'm gonna show you right now on two different websites, CreditWise and FICO. One of them say, you're gonna see right now, 142. No, they both say 147. This video is on how to get your credit to an 850 for $0. Fast and easy, very simple. Hey, if you're this video is for everybody. If you just graduated, if you're younger, let's say you're 16, 17. I want you to pause this video right now. Go to your parents, go to your guardian, whoever, and say, let me be under your credit and put me as an authorized user. When they pay it down, when they pay the credit on time, when they have a low utilization, under 10%, I say under 10%, those points go to you. So when it's time for your credit, you have a higher limit and you have a decent credit score. You got points towards your credit. All right, you have to understand credit. You see, my credit said, bro, they overwhooping right now. I'll bug up, I'll wait. So I have a 740. So what does it say? 720 to 850 is excelente. A 690 to 719 is good. A 630 to 689 is fair. A 300 to 629 is bad. I say the 550 is bad. But I'm gonna go with that. These are my two best friends right now. Got this one first. The day after graduation, got this one. Then 6 months later, I got this one. But if I see a debit card, I smack it. I don't want to see a debit card ever in my face. These are my two best friends. I only use these. I don't use debit. Your checking account is only for money coming in from your job. So let me talk about what goes into your credit. Right now, pause the video. If you have credit, if you have a credit score, if you have credit, go on this website, annualcreditreport.com. Put it in, see your credit, free credit score report. Check it now. So the number one thing they check is payment history receipt, 35%, what you've been paying and how long you've been paying. The next is 30%, amount owed, bro. Don't be owing money to these people, man. Pay it on time. Make sure you have a long history. Third one, length of history, that's really crucial. Mine's only at 747 right now because I have 1 year under my belt. 2-3 years, you're gonna be 800 in no time. You're gonna have 800 in no time, 850 in no time. Credit mix, versatile credit, different lines of credit. Every 6 months, get one. New credit, same thing, new credit. Don't be having just one card for years. Come on now. That's beginner stuff, bro. You'll be scared of getting multiple lines of credit. Doesn't matter. Get it. Simple. Back to what I'm saying. Make sure you start early. Like I said, if you're 16, 17, make sure you ask your guardian to put you as an authorized user now. Like positively do it ASAP. Get that bad boy going up. Come on now. Hey, now that you got your first credit card, this should be your first credit card, guys. We're going straight right into it. Cash back. We don't use debit. We get rewarded for our cash back. Every time we use it, we get cash back. Come on now. That's a steal. How many times have I can't even mention how many times I used it. And I used the points, the cash back they give you to buy stuff. Come on now. And do that with debit. Let me tell you what you can use for credit. If I have an 800, 850, you have a 500, 600, you come in the store trying to get the newest, or you want your dream car, they're gonna tell you to put down money. Come on now. I'm not putting money down. No, I have an 800, 850, I'm putting $0 down. I'm walking with the car ASAP. They see me, they see my credit. When it comes back from the report, they're gonna want to give me the car ASAP. Because what? I have a higher score. You're gonna have to pay down payment. No, we don't do that. I'm gonna have the lowest interest rate while you gonna have the highest interest rate if you don't do what I'm telling you to do in this video. Come on now, it's very simple and easy. This will be the only credit video you'll need. If you made this far in the video, drop your cash app right now. I'm blessing everybody that does it ASAP. I'm playing with it. After you get this card, cash back every 6 months, let this be your first card. Approved easily. If you have a $300 limit, spend less than $30. That's 10%. I say 5%. Spend less than if you have a $500 limit, 10%. What is that? 50. Spend less than $50 before your statement date. See, my statement date is on. Let's see what my statement date is, y'all. Statement date for Discover is on the 9th, and my due date is on the 4th. So on the 4th, my balance is gonna be zero. After the 4th, I'm gonna spend, on my limit is 1,500, so I'm gonna spend, what is 10% of 1,500? 150, I'm gonna spend less than 150 before 9th. Let's say I just get gas before the 9th, $30. After the 9th, I can spend what I can afford to spend, because after that, there's no more reporting after that date. The statement date is what they report. The statement date is the most crucial thing that I will say today. The statement date is what they report to the credit bureaus. That's gonna boost your points, boost your credit, or lower your credit. Trust me, you don't want your credit going down. Spend less than 5%. Mine is between 1 to 5%. When you get a higher credit limit, the more you can spend. So I started off with a 300 or 500. They rewarded me to a 1,500 for my Discover because I was paying on time. I had a low utilization rate. After you had this one for 6 months, man, don't even use your debit card. Use this only. Use your Discover only. Pay what you, just because you got a credit card doesn't mean spend everything, buy anything you want. No, stay under that 10%. Stay under that 30%. Come on now, don't be done with credit. Because it's a good thing, it's a very bad thing, credit. It could hurt you or it could boost you. Come on, you gotta use it wisely. So 6 months later, I got this bad boy. 0%, $0 annual fee. These are both $0 annual fees. These are starter cards. This one, same thing, same cash back, but this is more lucrative. Better rewards, more percentage on rewards with the Saver One cashback card. After you get these, use them 6 months each. Don't be getting a card every month, every 2-3 months. No, 6 months and beyond. Trust me. You have to show that you have versatile line of credit, bro. Don't be dumb and only have one credit. Why are you doing it? Come on now. Start early, like I said. If you're younger than 18, authorized user. That's simple. You can come back to this video and thank me. I showed you beginner cards. Start with this one, everybody. Start with this one, student cashback card. Move on to this one. Move on to a card that has a 0 annual fee and a cashback card. Make sure you use it responsibly. Paying on time, under 5%. People say 10, 30, no, under 5. If you can 5, 10 is okay. Okay, cool. Make sure you pay on time, bro. Statement day is the 4th. Make sure you put auto pay on. If you forget to pay, it's gonna come out your account. Some people I know pay it right away after they spend it, they pay it. I don't like doing that, but if you want to do that, you can do it, because I don't do it because it's just too many things just coming at your account every time you gotta do it. No, when I know I'm not gonna use it before the due date, I pay it off. Always remember to pay it off on time, or it's gonna be bad for you. Make sure you check your credit. These two have built-in credit reports in their app, so you can check it every day if you want to. Use it to your advantage. Don't be applying for everything and anything, guys. Come on, that will put hard inquiries on your account, showing that your credit is getting ran every time, every second you applying for stuff. No, every 6 months. Don't forget. Use it fast entertainment. Don't go over that 10%. Pay it on time. This will be the only credit video you will need. Trust me. Where I say amount owed, make sure 0 every time. Payment history that you paid off on time. New credit, have at least 2 every year. 6 months, 12 months in a year. 12 divided by 6, 2. Simple as that. Length of credit history. As soon as you build these as fast as possible, you get your credit. You're gonna build it years and years and years. You're gonna get that 850 in no time. That you're ready to buy a car. You're gonna have good credit. You're gonna be comfortable to pay your payments down. Not only for cars, houses. Personal credit turns into business credit. That's a different video. Let me know if you guys want that. You're gonna want you to get your own business. You're gonna get a business loan. They're gonna look at your 850. Man, they're gonna wanna give you all the money in the world. Here, get $1 million. Go get your business. You have an 850. You're like that. I'm showing you guys how to get it right now. Make sure you have a budget. I'm telling you, bro, for all these steps, you're gonna be good. Don't spend what you don't have. Don't be buying all the latest Gucci, Louis, designer. Spend under that 10% before the statement date. Spend a little bit after, because they're not gonna report it no more after the statement date. So you can Have a little leeway, but don't go crazy. Don't be OC with it. Check it every week. Check your credit score every week. I don't have any mistakes doing this because I followed what I'm saying and it's been working out well. If you follow it, you're gonna have a 740 next year by the end of the year. Trust me. If you can even do 1%, you're gonna get that. You're gonna get 850 in no time. Trust me. I'm gonna show y'all what credit cards to get. I'll show y'all the first two. These are starter credit cards, basic credit cards. Now, after you get that, we're done with cashback. We don't need no more cashback. We want to travel. We want to use our credit for things. We want to go anywhere we want to for free. We have enough cashback. What we're gonna get? We're gonna get Chase Sapphire, 75. You're gonna get 75,000 bonus points for spending 4,000 in 3 months. Or you can get the Amex Gold. You can get the Amex Gold. I just seen this. This is crazy. 90,000 points, reward points for $6,000. If you're spending this every day, bro, you're gonna get that in no time. That's easy. That's easy money. But if you can't, but here's a caveat: $250 annual fee. If you don't got it after you get the other two cards, with Chas, go with Chase Sapphire Preferred. Annual fee of only $95. Get that, spend 4,000 in 3 months. If you're spending this, using it every day, you're gonna get that in no time. It's easy money. Come rewards. Ain't gonna lie. Amex Gold has better rewards. 4,000, 4 times points at restaurants, 4 times at groceries, and 3 times on flights. Like me personally, I'm gonna go with the gold. It's looking too good, y'all. If you can't get that, spend that $250 a year. Just get the Sapphire, bro. It's just as good. As soon as you get that, after you pick that gold, Amex Gold, or the Chase Sapphire, you don't have to get this one, but you can get way more points with this. You can get so many points with this one. But there's another caveat. Annual fee of $695. But here's the kicker: you spend $8,000 in 6 months, you get 150 membership points. Bro, traveling for free, bro. Flights, hotels, go to anywhere you want, bro. Keep spending 150 off the bat, you're gonna get more. This is like a travel card, y'all. So I say get one of those, Sapphire Preferred or the Amex Gold. They can get this one. I'm getting one of these next month, July or August. That's gonna be my 7th mark from this one. One of these bigger boys. After you get that, or you can get this. These are for the big boys. These are for the ballers. These are for the ballers, bro. $5,000 annual fee. Hey, that's too far. Hey, I'm gonna show y'all how to get that later. But get them 3. Start with them 3. Start with Discover Student Cashback. Then get the Capital One. Capital One has another good one. I like this one. Save Rewards. Then you get either the Chase Sapphire or the Amex Gold. Damn, you hear that? Well, crazy. Hey, lap y'all. You know how I get. I'm gonna let that cool down. If y'all got any questions at this point, let me know. Any questions y'all got. Or this will be the only credit video you will ever need, bro. I will make a follow-up, or I'll answer all the questions in the comments. Know your credit score. If you're younger than 18, authorized user. Let's say I had a $300 limit or $500 limit. I was spending less than 50 if it was 430, if it was 300. Before the statement date, the report, I have a less than 10%, less than 5% utilization rate. Simple. That boosts up my credit score significantly. Then I got this one 6 months later. No, I did so good. They gave me a credit increase to $1,500 3 months ago. That's what you guys will get. And if you do it earlier, the sooner the better. As soon as you get your card, I know a lot of people that start off at $1,500, $3,000 with the student cash back, bro. That is clutch, bro. The higher you can spend before your statement date. If you have to spend something that you can afford to spend. And this one, they gave me a $3,000 limit because they seen how good I did with this one. Then I'm gonna go with either one of these. Leaning towards the gold. I'm gonna let y'all know what I picked. Because 90,000 is, before it was 60,000. I was like, nah, I'm not getting that. I'm gonna get the Chase for the 7,500, 35,000. Like that's a steal and a lower annual fee. And you might get confused. You might see a secured versus unsecured. Man. Get an unsecured credit card. Trust me, cashback is your beginner starter card. Too many restrictions with that secured stuff. Get the unsecured. This is unsecured. Trust me. Same way I did it. I showed you guys I have 747 a year later at 19. Next year he's gonna be at 800 easily, 820, 850 easily. Remember, these are factors of your credit. Remember that. I'm gonna cap. Sometimes I spent more before my statement date, but it was like 20%, 30%. I even never 40 or 50. Never. Don't do that. 20, 30%. If you have to do that after the statement date. After the statement date. Trust me. But if you happen to do that, it's okay. It's gonna go. Dang. It's gonna go down. Next one, you do 5, 10%. It's gonna go down significant. It's gonna go down drastically. So you're gonna be good. If you want more videos like this, let me know. More videos to get you financially free, bro. Credit is the main way, number one way, best way, bro. Trust me. To be your own boss, bro. Trust and believe that. It's credit to get up. Start your own business. They're gonna see you got a good credit. They're gonna get you any money you want. Business credit, gonna turn into business credit. You want the nicest car. When you have money for it, have good credit, it's not gonna pay down. Got 500, 600, they're gonna make you pay something. They're gonna give you a high interest rate, 800, 850, high 700. It's not gonna tell you to pay nada, nothing. They're gonna want you to get the car as soon as you get there. They're gonna see that, they're gonna be licking their chops, happy that you came in with that high credit score. High credit score just makes your life easier, bro. Trust me. I did this less than a year, guys. Less than a year. 747. You can do it too. You can get higher if you have a lower utilization rate. Trust and believe that. If you like this video, like and subscribe. More videos is coming your way. Show you how to leverage it. Leverage credit. How to get even. Talk about what's it called? We're gonna talk about credit unions versus banks. Why you can go to a credit union is gonna give you rates on better rates, lower interest rates, plus your good credit. Can't lose with that. Anything you want. It's better to use credit and finance than paying only cash, bro. Come on now, you get way more benefits that way. Trust me, guys. Hey, and I'm out. Peace.